Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can contact Shopify customer support. So let's get right into it. Now, this is a really easy thing to do if you have any questions that you need answering, or if you need any help with changing some things on your site, which you cannot do from your side, and you do need Shopify support for it. For example, changing your billing plan from yearly to monthly, or similar issues to that, then it's very easy to do. You just need to contact support, and the way that you do this is the following. Now, there might be a simpler way to do this. There might be a way to do this through your dashboard. I'm not familiar with it. I know of this way, and this way works pretty well, so I'm just going to do that. Now, what you're going to need to do is click on your store icon in the top right, and then you're going to go and click on Help Center. Now, this is going to take you to the Help Center for Shopify, and this is not the support contact just yet. Here you can find several articles that might help you with any problems you might be having. You can also search for them, but once you scroll down, as you can see, if you can't find the answers you're looking for, you can click this Contact Support button, and you'll directly contact Shopify staff. As you can see, it'll just enter that into the assistant, and as you can see, you can send it a message where you can share what you're working on, and it might help you find an answer. But as you can see, it can connect you to a support advisor if you click the button again. Now, you need to share what you need specifically, and then they'll send that ticket to the support advisor, who will then get into contact with you to help you with any issues you might be having. And that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.